Hey, all you dope and dopettes out there, it's me, Computer Glitch, and I work in a computer store. Now, if you've got an all-in-one computer, meaning that the monitor screen is built into the computer and you got a video problem, figure you're going to spend at least 200 bucks to get it fixed, and it may be more. So you kind of want to figure that out before you spend money to take it into service, on whether it's worth putting that kind of money into it. Remember, there's no bad computers, only bad human owners. Peace.